Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0506, indicates that the engine's idle control system is experiencing a malfunction where the revolutions per minute, RPM, are lower than the expected values. This issue is specifically relevant for Honda CRV models produced between 2017 and 2022. The idle control system is a crucial component that helps maintain the stability of the engine at low speeds. It ensures that the engine runs smoothly, even when there are variations in the load, such as when accessories are turned on or off. This DTC is part of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM Diagnostics, and involves the idle air control, IAC system, throttle body, and specific sensors. The sensors involved include the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor, and the intake air temperature, IAT sensor. Depending on the severity of the malfunction, you may experience other symptoms that affect the drivability of the vehicle. DTC P0506 describes a malfunction in the idle control system that occurs when the engine RPM is lower than the expected range. This issue involves several important components, including the throttle body and various sensors like the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor, and the intake air temperature, IAT sensor. The throttle body is located in the intake system, directly affecting the flow of air to the engine, and it plays a significant role in controlling engine idle speeds. A malfunction could be caused by dirt or carbon buildup in the throttle body, which impedes airflow. The sensors monitor critical parameters, relaying information to the Powertrain Control Module, which evaluates and adjusts engine performance as necessary. A failure in this system can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. The possible causes for DTC P0506 include several components that could be malfunctioning or obstructed. One common culprit is a dirty throttle body, which can accumulate dirt and carbon deposits over time, disrupting airflow. This buildup can cause the throttle plate to stick or not open properly, leading to low idle RPMs. Sensor malfunctions are another potential cause. Specifically, issues with the engine coolant temperature or intake air temperature sensors can provide inaccurate readings to the PCM, resulting in improper fuel and air mixtures. Additionally, problems with the air conditioning AC system could influence engine load and RPM. If the AC system is drawing too much power, it could affect engine idle, creating discrepancies in expected RPM levels. Understanding these causes is crucial for pinpointing the source of the issue and resolving it effectively. Symptoms associated with DTC P0506 can vary, but commonly include engine stalling and rough idling. Drivers may notice that the vehicle's engine feels unstable, particularly at idle or low speeds. This could manifest as a vibration or uneven running, which may be particularly noticeable when the vehicle comes to a stop. Additionally, there could be a decrease in overall performance, making the vehicle feel sluggish when accelerating. If the AC system is turned on, symptoms may become more pronounced, causing the engine to struggle to maintain idle. Understanding these symptoms helps in quickly identifying the problem when they arise and directing attention towards specific troubleshooting steps. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0506 is to verify the issue using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Begin by turning the vehicle key to the on position to power the vehicle electronics without starting the engine. This allows the HDS to communicate with the PCM effectively. After that, clear any stored DTCs using the HDS. This reset is crucial as it allows an accurate reading of the current status of the systems involved. Next, start the engine and hold it at 3,000 RPM without load until the radiator fan activates. This step ensures we are examining the vehicle's performance under controlled conditions. Lastly, check specific conditions through the HDS data list, such as the engine coolant temperature, ECT, intake air temperature, IAT, vehicle speed, and fuel trim values to confirm they are within expected parameters. The second step involves a visual inspection of the throttle body to check for any signs of dirt, carbon buildup, or physical damage. With the vehicle turned off, remove the intake air duct that connects to the throttle body. This step exposes the throttle bore, allowing for direct examination. Look for any obstructions, such as dirt, oil, or carbon deposit buildup, which can severely affect airflow and the functioning of the throttle. If dirt or carbon is present, cleaning the throttle body is essential to restore its functionality. In cases where there is physical damage to the throttle body, replacement may be necessary. If no issues are found, the throttle body is considered operational, and you may need to continue troubleshooting other systems, such as the AC. In the third step, you will reinstall the intake air duct securely to its original position after the throttle body inspection. Ensuring that this duct is properly positioned is vital to make sure airflow into the engine is not compromised. Turn the vehicle key to the on mode to power the vehicle systems once again. Next, clear the DTC again using the HDS to provide a fresh baseline for monitoring engine conditions. Start the engine and repeat the previously conducted tests by holding the engine speed at 3,000 RPM until the radiator fan activates. Subsequently, check the conditions, particularly the engine coolant temperature, IAT, vehicle speed, fuel trim values, and ensure the throttle position is closed to confirm that these parameters align with expected standards. The final troubleshooting step focuses on monitoring the onboard diagnostics OBD status for DTC P0506 using the HDS. This diagnostic tool will provide insights into whether the DTC passes or fails during the test cycle. If the HDS indicates that the status is passed, it suggests that the issue may have been intermittent and the system is functioning correctly at that moment. In this case, if an onboard snapshot of the DTC was recorded, the next action would be trying to replicate the failure under the same conditions. If the HDS indicates failed, you should inspect the AC system for any irregularities before attempting to retest. Keeping the engine idling until the result displays is crucial for accurate diagnostics. If the HDS reads executing or out of condition, revisit earlier troubleshooting steps for verification. Once the necessary repairs have been made, final verification is essential to confirm that the issue has been effectively resolved. Begin this process by driving the vehicle under normal conditions to ensure that there are no persistent problems with idling or performance. It's important to observe the engine behavior closely during this test drive to detect any signs of rough idling or stalling, which may indicate that the DTC could reappear. After the test drive, check the OBD system with the HDS to confirm that DTC P0506 is no longer present in the system's memory. Verifying that all parameters are within their specified ranges is also essential to confirm the robustness of the repair. This step guarantees that the vehicle operates efficiently and reduces the risk of future complications. Preventive maintenance is crucial for prolonging the lifespan of the idle control system and preventing DTC P0506 from recurring. Regularly cleaning the throttle body can prevent carbon and dirt buildup that could disrupt airflow and engine performance. It's advisable to include this in routine maintenance practices, especially for vehicles that are frequently in stop-and-go traffic. Additionally, routine checks of the ECT and IAT sensors can catch any potential issues before they escalate into a serious problem. Monitoring the AC system's operation is also vital, as any irregularities could lead to increased engine load, impacting idle behavior. By implementing these preventive measures, vehicle owners can ensure smooth performance and reduce the risk of future diagnostic trouble codes related to the idle control system. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0506 requires a multifaceted approach that involves the idle control system, throttle body, and associated sensors. It's essential for vehicle owners to understand the implications of this DTC and the components involved. Regular maintenance checks, including cleaning the throttle body and monitoring sensor functionality, can significantly enhance vehicle reliability and performance. The potential symptoms, such as rough idling and engine stalling, highlight the need for timely diagnostics and repairs. By adhering to preventive measures and ensuring thorough troubleshooting, drivers can maintain optimal engine performance and minimize the chances of recurrent issues in future. Therefore, a proactive approach is key to keeping the Honda CRV running smoothly and efficiently. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!